We should see him one day.
Welcome to Wake Up Wednesday. I'm Steven.
I'm John. Good morning.
We're so glad you're here today. We wanted to come to you. We're actually going to do, I'm trying to close out. Okay, that's okay.
Was I on right
No,
away?
that's okay.
Okay.
We're glad you're here today. We're actually going to be talking about multiple tax rates. So if you are, somewhere where you have a maybe different, every county has different taxes, or you're just dealing with a lot of different tax rates, we have enhanced that program even more than it already was. We know several of you are already using this. And then we thought there's probably people out there that want to use it that don't know it exists. And so that's why we wanted to bring attention to that today and show you how to set it up. We're actually going to follow along the document. So like if it's not even set up, how to set it up. And we're actually going to give you a link to that document on how to do it. John's going to show you how to set it up. We're going to set it up, and then we're going to show you the report that you can actually get from that report after you set it up.
So again, this is for if you're shipping. A lot of times, if you're shipping like websites and you have to ship out of state, you have to do certain taxes. Maybe you're doing like a book table. You're taking it out on the road, and you have to charge. Maybe you're going to a location that does, requires that. So that's what this is for. So I'm just going to kind of go through here. Can I move the keyboard?
Of course.
I know I can. All right, let's see. So let's see. The first thing, like I said, I'm going to go through this document that I'm going to be sending you. First, the system setup. You're going to go into ENV, add enter program name. Now, I've already got this line in here, but you're going to choose add entry down here. And once you choose add entry, you're going to add this line, variable -tax space L. And once you have that, we're going to choose save. You will need to go out of Bookstore Manager, and I'll go ahead and do it. Go out of Bookstore Manager, and then go back in. It won't see that environment change until you go out and back in. Once you've done that, let's see, you're going to go into sys, S-Y-S. Let's see, top secret password. All right, then you're going to go down to configuration files, and then go to change miscellaneous configurations. The field number is 4050. This is where you've set up your tax rates. Your tax rate 1 there will be your normal tax rate, what you charge. Once you go in here, you're going to put 99999, all nines. Choose save. Always a good idea to go out of Bookstore Manager again for that change to take effect. Go back in just a second. And now you're actually ready to start entering those tax rates. So I'm going to run tax rates, the program. Once you go into tax rates, the taxable entity, this is going to be the state or province that you're doing. I've already got several here, so I'm just going to kind of show you what I have. So let's bring up Abilene. That's ours. And so what you'll put in the entity, then you'll put in the tax rate. When you go out of this field, it's going to actually tell you your tax rate is set to 8.25. That way, if you, for some reason, you put like 8250, there is a preceding zero. And so if it says like 82.50, that just allows you to change that. So why we did that. Choose your state, Texas. And then down here, it's going to show all 96 departments that you have selected. What you can do is I would just choose select all. Maybe holidays, for example, is not. I would say select all and then just uncheck holidays. Anything unchecked is going to be tax exempt, so no tax. And so I have everything checked here. I'm going to go ahead and choose save.
I would uncheck Bibles because Bibles are typically
Well, let's just do that.
tax-free.
Let's do that,
Tax
Steven.
exempt.
Tax exempt. So there we go.
So you might do
Bibles.
select all and then just uncheck that one. So do select all. Just so you
Let's
can
do
see it.
select all.
And then what we're going to do is
And then
uncheck.
I'm going to
Bibles.
uncheck Bibles and Bibles AC.
Now accessories would be taxable.
And fine. Bibles, tax exempt. Choose save. And so then let's see here. So now that's got that configured. Now just how this looks in point of sale. So we're going to go ahead and run some cells here. Put in, so we don't have it. We really just need to disable your packs.
Yep.
I've disabled it on mine. Um, give us a moment. Do 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 do. You're not gonna finish,
Dude.
dude. I can't believe
good
you.
timing.
Look at that.
What timing?
All
that
right.
was. Are you going to the CPE show in August? I hope so. We're doing 2 trainings there. Just throw that in while John's pulling this up.
All right. So let's see. Let's pull up support.
That is going to be our annual training. So we'll be doing a lot of stuff at that training. So
Kind of
plan
talk
on
about some
being there.
things we're doing as well. Okay, so we're just gonna do a cell here. Let's say 235 to Department 3. Enter. So, and then we're gonna do subtotal. Now here's where it comes in. So earlier we did tax rate 4 99999. You're gonna do global tax change, and then choose that new tax rate we did. And what that's gonna do, it's gonna bring up all of the tax rates that you've set up. I'm gonna choose. Well, let's just choose Blaine, Minnesota. Okay, and so then you can see that it did change the tax from my default tax rate. And so you'll see the new tax over here where it says, where is tax? Oh, 2 cents.
yeah, it's the tax amount, not the
Okay.
rate.
And then we're going to choose cash. Should we donate 63
Yes.
cents? Always. Be generous with your money. And then choose cash. I'll just put exempt organization. I'm going to get an emailed receipt. So let's do that. Emailed receipt. And close that because it got emailed. And then exit. I've already done a few other cells to other areas. And so I just want to show you on your Z tape, it is going to say miscellaneous taxes collected. And then it will do a breakdown of each of those taxes on your Z tape.
You can do close that if you want to.
Historically, we didn't save that data. Now we are saving that data. This feature has been around for a while. So if you've been using this, there is a document that you will have to use to convert to the new version 9 tax rates. And so let's see. So what I'm going to do, the tax rate report is actually VTax RPT for variable tax report. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put in, we're going to go 430 24 251 and then report and processing complete. That's good. It's going to automatically come into Excel, and you can see that we've alternated the lines here. And so this is just a real quick way. If you need this function or you didn't know it was there, and that's basically all there is to it. Now you've got a breakdown of your cells that you can report for a certain date range for a certain day, however you want to do that. Again, I'll post this document in the comments, and if you have any questions at all about it, please let us know.
Yeah.
I think that's...
So take advantage of this. If you didn't realize it was there and you're maybe doing several workarounds to make it work and having to do a lot of extra time and putting a lot of effort into that, this is a way to make that really quick, really easy, and then be able to run that data at the end of the report or at the end of the month when you need to turn in your taxes or whatever. So this makes it very practical. And then just one more shout out. We will be doing our annual training at the CPE show. So we'll offer an advanced and a beginner's training. So that is a good reason to go to the show. There's so many other good reasons to go to the show, but that is one of the big ones is attend the training, get to know your system even better, be able
Get
to
to
use
know us more.
Yep. And then it's a great networking event where you can get ideas from other Christian bookstores and just
We're all in this together.
Yeah,
We're
be in
one big family.
be in contact with other vendors and get some new vendors maybe to offer in the store. And so it's just a really good opportunity. This is the biggest show for the Christian market. So take advantage. Support.
Do you know those dates? August.
We'll be in
it's early August, but
yeah,
we'll
August.
let you know.
I think maybe
specific
August
dates.
4th
I think
ish.
so.
And so, but we're thankful you plugged in today. Please take advantage. Let us know if you have any questions. Share any prayer requests that you have with us.
We love you.
And yeah, so great feature here. Take advantage of it. And we are out. Bye.
Bye.